Hey guys, I just got this smart dual cup mic cleaner in the mail. This has been my first time opening it. I wanted you to experience it with me so you can see everything that this comes with. We'll dive into the features of the product a little bit, and I'll just kind of highlight everything we got here. So first off is our user manual. So if you wanted to see any specific page, here you go. We got our packing list, the name of parts, a little bit more information with cleaning each of the parts and troubleshooting, things like that. And that's pretty much it, a pretty simple manual here. On the top, this feels like some sort of foam piece. We'll definitely get into what this actually is, but yeah, I think it's probably gonna be some sort of filter or something like that. And I think we got just a second one of the exact same. Yes, just a second foam, what feels like a filter or something similar to that. Let's take off our foam here to actually reveal the product. So let's get into this. Looks like we just got one thing in the box, and that's going to be our mic cleaner. I love when there's not a ton of excess here. Get this out of its packaging, and we'll take a deeper look. So we got our power cord on the back right here. Just going to be a standard power cord into any outlet. Runs through the back of the mic cleaner. And here is the actual device itself. So our roller on the bottom, it looks like that's going to detach in some sort of way for cleaning, which we will figure out shortly here. Probably pulling that brush open. We've got a power button that we're going to check out after plugging this in. Looks like it opens just from the side right here. Oh, and we can show you the filter now. So this is probably where everything is going to collect, I would have to imagine. Pop open the lid. There we go. Lid, and there is kind of the filter and where we can dump everything out of after cleaning. And this should just pop back in. Let's see, I think we had it this way. Perfect. And after some quick reading, I found out that those replacement filters are actually inside of this right here. So as you need to replace them, you can just pop that out, throw one of the new sponges back there, and just assemble it all back together super easily. So you got those two replacements, should last you a good amount of time before you have to, purchase more. Now, I've got this thing all plugged in here. It's going to be loud. I just turned it on for the first time just to check. It's going to be loud on video, so I'm going to not speak over it, but let's take a look at what the screen is going to say when I do get into it. So it's going to show us our clean status. It's going to show us the percent of dust mite index, and then we can switch it between these modes of ultrasonic, dry, sterilize, and pat. So I'm going to test this out for just a second with the audio muted, and then we'll talk about it. And there you go. My cats sleep on this couch, so I'm not surprised that it is super dusty and needs a lot of help. And yeah, I mean, look at this. Just in the few seconds I was cleaning, you can see how much dust caught inside of here. So that is definitely impressive. I would highly recommend you go check this one out.